Alright, so getting started here. Here's my Git history for the project. We're going to paste this in real quick. So put that in there. There we go. You can see the main branch and also the 5 feature branches I created for each task, such as the functions and the exit codes, the safer bash, the Git apps, the output flags, and the polish. I'm also going to finish up the written reflection there. You can see how they were merging back into the main. And then next I'll demonstrate the help flag. So there we go, it's right here. We're going to copy, paste that into here. So there we go. Oh wait, oh my gosh, sorry. There we go. So we got that on there. So it prints all the usage instructions, the exit code, and here's the examples that it has as well. So then we're also going to do sorry, hold on. The directory. So we're going to post this one in there. And there we go. So you can see the CSV header and the few entries in there. There we go. So you can actually see that formatted out when I zoom out there. And then we're going to do the error cases and the exit codes. So let's pull back up that note here. Move this back over here. So this is the exit 2. So there we go, error message 2, because I tried doing the -c without providing the -o file argument. And then there's another one in here, but it kind of does the same thing. We'll do the exit code 3 here. So there we go. It shows the error code 3 because the directory does not exist on that one. And then what we're going to do is make a directory. So boom. And we're going to make it not readable. Copy that. Put it in there. Copy this. Put it in there. As you can see, exit code 4. Because the directory doesn't have any read or execute permissions. And then just real quick, I'm going to delete that. There we go. And then finally, let's get into some of the code. So let's go into source. Yep, we're in the right place. So we're going to vim into permcheck.sh. And then, so the safer bash, that's what we're starting with. Right up here. So this makes a safer splitting, I think is what it is called. And then we go down. Usage function here is what prints all the instructions, the options, exit codes, and the examples. Then we have parse arguments here. This handles the -d, -0, -h, and even --help. And then it does the exit 2 for bag arguments. You can see down here, this part. So then we go down more. We have our check target function here. It sees if the directory exists, and if it is readable, it exits 3 or 4 exit code otherwise here and here. So if it's not readable or it does not exist, there we go. So scan and print, this is what does the CSV header and all that information. And then the clean flow down here runs all those functions and does all the output there. So one thing I would say that I learned in this lab is how very small details in Bash and proper exit codes make the script so much more readable and professional looking. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this little video here.